So we already learned about the strings. So we know strings can be written in the quotation marks. So there are two kinds of quotation marks, like a single quotation marks or a double quotation marks. But what if you want you know so what if you want a line with a quotation marks like this line, it is a dog, and you want a single quotation after it, and or if you just want to put some narrations like this, he said, and then quotation marks with the letter or sentence you want to print, then there is a problem with string, like strings can be written in quotation marks. So how to write quotations in a quotations? So if you want to print a single quotation marks, then string can be denoted with double quotation marks like this. So it is a dog. This is the total string because it is under the double quotation marks. But this single quotation marks is usually denotes as a character in this case. So if you just run this program, it will print successfully. Similarly, if you want a double quotation marks in your string, you have to write with the single quotation marks, because the first and last single quotation marks will be denoted as a string, and inside that these double quotation marks will be denoted as a character, and this program will also run successfully. But if you do like this, like if you just do copy and paste, print with those double quotation marks, and inside that you want a double quotation marks too, like this, he said, and a quotation marks, both are double quotation marks, you can see. And if you run this program, it will show an error. So you have to, you know if you want double quotation marks inside a string, you have to denote the string with a single quotation marks. So this is the rule actually.